How to find bamboo jungle in Minecraft. So first, you could just go around, go into different kinds of forests. So if you ever stumble upon a tropical forest, you could just go around it or search the area, and there's a 30% chance that you'll eventually stumble into the bamboo jungle. But if you don't want that, then you want the process to be faster, what you can do is allow cheats and commands to be turned on. To do that, just simply click on escape on your keyboard, click on open to LAN, make sure that allow commands is turned on, then just simply click on start LAN world. Then after that, you just simply need to open up the command line by clicking C on your keyboard, then type in slash locate, then type in biome, then type in bamboo jungle just like so. After that, click on enter and it will show you the coordinates. You could either just go there by walking or running, but what you can do is just simply click on T on your keyword again, then click on the green highlighted coordinates on the text, or you could just type in TP at S, then the coordinates given. So click on enter, and as you can see, you'll be automatically teleported to the bamboo jungle. Next thing that you can do is use the website called Chunkbase, but first you'll need to get the seed of your world, and to do that, just simply open up your command line again, type in slash seed, then click on enter. And then you will get your seed. Just simply click the text or the numbers to copy it to your clipboard, then open up the Chunkbase website. So we are now on the Chunkbase website. Just simply click on home, then click on seed map, and you will be brought here. Just pick the version of Minecraft you're in, then just paste the seed that you have, load from save, or you could just simply save it. After that, you will see all of your biomes and stuff right here. You could filter them out if you want. So these are the biomes, as you can see, the colored ones. And that's how you basically find a bamboo jungle in Minecraft.